Welcome, we are Lighthouse Mobile Solutions, and today we'd like to talk to you about our mission, the applications that we develop and provide, the public safety application in particular, the way that we can brand and personalize these applications for you, our distribution method, and then take any questions you might have. Our mission at Lighthouse Mobile Solutions is to build mobile applications that protect people of all ages that are using smartphones. And today, it seems that everyone in our country has a smartphone. What we intend to do is use this device that everyone already has to make them safer than ever before. Our applications, our safety applications really revolve around these three product lines. One is Campus Blue Light, one is Military Safe Base, and as we'll talk about today, the Public Safety Beacon. So our public safety application is an emergency panic button style application. Upon activating the alert by touching the large button, you send location, a panic message, and then you're given a follow-on screen where you can call 911 or send silent messages if you're not able to talk for some reason. Those messages are sent to authorities as well as contacts that you've designated in your contacts menu. And the format for these messages is a simple SMS text message. And the authorities, you'll actually get a clickable link that allows you to see exactly where this person is on the map using Google Maps. Now, users are always encouraged in the application to dial 911 and are given an opportunity on every screen once they've launched the alert. Now, by launching the application, initiating an alert, and dialing 911, that only takes 3 button presses, whereas if they were to hit call 911 send, well, that's 5 button presses. So not only can they send more information in a quicker amount of time, they can call 911 faster. Also, upon activating the alert, an audio file begins to record through the phone's microphone, allowing you to pick up whatever's going on in the background. So maybe you can use this to identify suspects in the future or meet other forensics needs that you may have. So our screens for this application, on the left we have the main activity, and that's your panic button, your non-emergency contacts, and a test alert to ensure that it works. On the next screen it shows that an alert's been activated. So you can call 911, it presents the message and location that you just sent, and gives you an opportunity to send more silent information. You also see the toast on the bottom saying audio recorded on SD card, emergency alert.3GP. That's the name of the audio file that's begun. So you can also text in, hey, I need an ambulance, or there's a fire, and you can end the alert. Now, preferably the person will call 911, but if they can't, they can touch a button. Now, some authorities in the past that we worked with honestly just can't handle the SMS messaging of this sort, so we've taken that out of the application for some users. We left it in for some, so we can do whatever you would like personally, or we can just allow those text messages to go to the contacts, so their friends and family can have the most information possible to help out their loved one. On the next screen there's an example of the non-emergency contacts. Now this screen is a scroll view, which means that you can scroll up and down. I've only put a few choices on it so you can see what's possible. So we have call the sheriff's office, so if there's an administrative call, there you go. Request a call back, so hey, a text message gets sent to the sheriff's office, please call me at your earliest convenience in case you have an emergency or something else going on. You can get back to them later. Or make a silent report. Maybe you don't want a million phone calls about noise complaints or suspicious activity or safety issues, and this way you get a text message and you can call the user back and ask them. Once again, the text messaging workload sometimes can be overbearing, so we can take that out. Another example of the utility of this application though is instead of just call the sheriff's office, we can add in call poison control, call the jail, call animal control, call the county clerk's office, whatever you want. So what we can do is actually increase reporting with this application while reducing your administrative call volume, because instead of you having to serve as a local directory, we have a directory built right into the application for you. Now, branding and personalization. The branding, we can make the application name whatever you would like it to be. We can put in logos and change the color so it's personalized to you. For other users, we've made it the county name plus safety. So for example, in Russell County, Alabama, it's Russell County Safety. There's a logo. We can put in a logo that has a different alert icon. We can put a banner at the top saying, hey, this service is proudly brought to you by Sheriff, insert the name, so that you get that name recognition and the public can see that you're trying to help them and you're really care for their best interest. Other personalizations in the code, we can hard code any authority phone numbers you would like. We can hard code as many as you would like. Typically it's just one. And we can change that over the course of time, and what happens is it gets pushed out to every user, so it's always up to date. We'll make the non-emergency menu however you would like it, with as many contacts in that directory as you would like. I would just caution you of putting too many so that people don't have to sort through it forever trying to make a call. Silent alerts, we can make those buttons say whatever you would like and customize them for really what happens in your area, or we can take them out if you have a dispatcher situation where really you just overload them with information. And then we can customize those reports that are always sent to. We can make them whatever you want or take them out. So for distribution, what we do is we provide you a custom version of this application. We let you review it. Once you're satisfied with the application, we place it on market for free download. And now anyone in the country can download that application, and they're protected when they're in your jurisdiction, and they can contact the appropriate numbers. Now, fixes for bugs experienced in the first 30 days, we'll fix all of those and make sure everything works perfectly. And for maintenance and future support, feel free to call us and we can help you out. Updates are pushed out to every user upon release, so you're never outdated. If your phone numbers change, we can update that. If you'd like to change the program, we can make any changes. And what happens when a change is made and we upload the code, the market pushes it to every user and re-downloads it. So no person's phone will be out of date once we make an application update. So if you have any questions, if there's anything else we can help you with, please feel free to contact us at any of the numbers on the next page, or talk to your local representative. So our contact information, there's our phone number with extensions and our email addresses and our website. Thank you for your time today, and I appreciate you considering Lighthouse Mobile Solutions.